Good day, Doctor. My name is KEERTHIGA PARAMASNAM and my metric number is 286028. Today, I'll start to present about our group assignment on automotive industry. I'll start off from the introduction. The Malaysian automotive industry is experiencing a significant shift due to advancement in technology such as development on electrical vehicles and autonomous driving systems. Additionally, changing consumer preferences towards environmental friendly vehicles and regulatory changes aim to reduce emissions are driving forces behind this transformation. Meanwhile, government supports initiatives like the National Automotive Policy, also known as NAP, provide essential support and guidance to the automotive industry in Malaysia. Through this policy, the government encouraged investment in research and development (R&D) to foster innovation, while also promoting the adoption of green technologies to ensure sustainable growth. This has also includes a shift towards the production of EV. The automotive industry in Malaysia has demonstrated robust growth, contributing significantly to the country's GDP and employment rates. Lastly, the automotive industry in Malaysia has set strategic goals focused on enhancing global competitiveness, promoting environmental sustainability, and advancing human capital development.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is SHAHIRA. My matrix number 286873. So today I will give you a brief overview of the market structure in the Malaysian automotive industry, focusing on the concentration ratio, especially CR4, which is a key indicator of the market dominance. This Malaysian automotive industry is highly concentrated, dominated by a few major players. We can see this by looking at the CR4, which represent the combined market share of the four largest firms, which is number 1, Samdapi, number 2, TRB Highcom, number 3, Oriental Holdings, and the last one, number 4, Honyo Industry. These companies collectively hold 91.65% of the market share. This high concentration ratio indicates an oligopoly, where a small number of firms have significant control over the market. In such market, competition is limited, entry barriers are high, and the leading firms, while substantial market power, this often lead to price stability due to the interdependence of these firms, but it can also result in the higher price for consumer compared to more competitive markets. However, these dominant firms often engage in the aggressive market, frequent products release, and improve customer service to maintain their market position. While this can benefit consumers in the term of product quality, and the lack of competitive pressure might reduce the incentive of this firm to innovate. In conclusion, the Malaysian automotive industry CR4 of 91.65% reflects a highly concentrated market dominated by a few key players, which shapes the competitive landscape, pricing, and consumer choice significantly. It's crucial for regulators to monitor this market to prevent anti-competitive practice and protect consumer welfare. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to sir and everyone. So the next subtopic under market structure that I will discuss is barriers to entry in the automotive industry. So there are three main reasons why entering this industry is so difficult. The first one is because of high capital and technological requirements. Generally, we know that the automotive industry is highly competitive and there are significant challenges for new entrants to enter this market and compete with big automakers due to high capital and technological barriers. For example, Highcom invested in a large amount to Proton, which contributed 70% of the total capital, 150 million, for the manufacturing facilities, as well as to create its first automobile model, which is Saga. Despite of that, R&D is needed to enhance the quality of the existing model and to develop new model. So this allows the firms that operate in this industry to keep up with the most recent advancement in automotive technology such as electric cars and self-driving system. Tesla's entry into this market would develop this kind of technology shows that large investment in R&D to follow the new automotive advancement are needed to compete effectively. The second reason why there is high barriers to entry in this industry is because of economies of scale. It is related to the cost advantages that companies can get by producing large numbers of vehicles, which is more outputs are produced. The cost per unit of output generally decreases because fixed costs are spread over a larger number of units. For example, foreign automakers such as Toyota and Honda produce high volumes of automobiles, which allowing them to distribute fixed expenses such as machinery and facilities across a larger number of units. So the cost per unit is lower than for new entrants who may not have the same manufacturing volume and making it difficult for them to compete with the cost advantage and efficiencies that already possessed by established firms. Another factors of economies of scale is existing manufacturers' purchasing power. Established firms with solid supplier ties and significant production volumes have been better positioned to deal with the crisis. New entrants and smaller firms encounter obstacles likely due to low purchasing power. They may struggle to get enough amounts of critical components, resulting in manufacturing delays and raised costs. Last but not least, regulatory barriers are also part of a big challenge for new entrants to enter this automotive industry. This industry is highly regulated and it might increase the cost and complexity when entering this market. The multinational automakers such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, as well as worldwide component manufacturers such as Delphi, Continental, Denso, and Bosch, have established production and distribution facilities in Malaysia to fulfill customer demand and launch their products in the nation. Moreover, NAP includes various regulations and guidelines aimed at promoting the development of the local automotive industry. This regulatory system are necessary to promote fair competition and preserve local automotive performance in both domestic and global markets, but also pose significant challenges for new entrants looking to establish themselves in the Malaysian market.
Moving on to the policy and regulation. First, we will look at NAP 2020, or also known as National Automotive Policy 2020, that was introduced to ensure Malaysia's automotive industry remains competitive in the global market. NAP 2020 aims to advance the automotive industry in Malaysia by promoting research and development of next-generation vehicles, integrating mobility as a service, and embracing the digital revolution of Industry 4.0. Next-generation vehicles are like autonomous vehicles, hybrid electrical vehicles, and electrical vehicles. Companies such as Proton, Produa, and international brands like Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Nissan are encouraged to invest. By this, business can leverage to increase customer access to next-generation vehicles through tax incentives, grants, and special purchasing regulations. Next will be Embracing Industrial Revolution 4.0, also known as IR 4.0. NAP 2020 recognized the transformative potentials of IR 4.0 technologies like automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence (AI) in the automotive industry. Companies like BMW, Honda, Mazda, and Isuzu are adopting automation and data analytics to optimize production and operational procedures. Next, promoting mobility as a service. It encouraged the development of on-demand transportation solutions. Major automakers may collaborate to develop and implement mobility as a service solution in Malaysia, which potentially leading to partnership between companies like Proton. Besides, policy under automotive industry in Malaysia is the National Transport Topic 2019 to 2030, also known as NTP 2030. The NTP 2030 aims to establish a sustainable, effective, and safe transport system in Malaysia. So, there are two elements under this policy, which is sustainable transport system. This NTP 2030 initiate impacts both foreign giants like Mercedes-Benz and Toyota, as well as local automakers like Proton. This focus aligns with the global trends towards sustainable development and presents opportunities for automakers to innovate and adapt to evolving market demands. The second one will be emphasized on energy efficient automobiles. NTP 2030 places a significant emphasis on promoting energy efficient automobiles, particularly electric and hybrid models. By encouraging investment in electric and hybrid technologies, the policy aims to transition towards a greener and more sustainable automotive industry. Additionally, contributing to the overall goal of sustainability and efficiency in Malaysia's transport sector. Last but not the least, the National Energy Policy (DTN) 2022 to 2040 of Malaysia lays out a roadmap for a more environmental friendly automotive industry, says the Minister of Economy. The question now is why and how? Because of low carbon future and incentives for clear energy transition. So let's look at the first for low carbon future. The DTN prioritizes energy security and a low carbon future impacting global automakers like Nissan and Honda, as well as domestic producers like Proton. Incentives for a low carbon transportation ecosystem, including plug-in hybrids and electrical cars (EVs), are provided, reshaping Malaysia's automotive industry toward cleaner technologies. Then, incentives for clean energy transition. DTN encourages the adoption of biofuels and provides incentives for automakers to develop vehicles compatible with them. So in summary, Malaysia's automotive industry is undergoing a significant transformation driven by a combination of government policies and technology advancement, also changing consumer preferences. So policies such as National Transport Policy, National Automotive Policy and National Energy Policy are shaping the industry landscape by promoting sustainability, encouraging innovation and incentivizing the adoption of clean energy technologies. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, we will explore the strategic pricing approaches employed by various automotive companies in Malaysia. We will delve into how these companies differentiate their products and cater to different market segments to their pricing strategies. Bermas Auto Berhad, the distributor of Mazda vehicle in Malaysia, justifies premium pricing for its product through product differentiation and value-based pricing. The Mazda CX-5 SUV, for example, is positioned as a premium crossover offering a refined interior, responsive handling, and advanced safety features. The price range for Mazda vehicles in Malaysia is 132 to 175. And next is DRB Highcom Berhad, operates in various sectors including automotive and employs different pricing strategies across its subsidiaries. Proton, a subsidiary of DRB Highcom, differentiates its vehicle through advanced safety features and modern design. The price range for Proton vehicle in Malaysia is 94,800 to 100,000. Hume Industries Berhad focus on cost leadership by offering affordable vehicle tailored to the mass market. The Produa Myvi, a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers in Malaysia, provide reliable performance and essential features at a competitive price point. The price range for the Produa Myvi is 41,000 to 52,000. Next is MBM Resources Berhad employs market segmentation strategies across its vehicle brands such as Mercedes-Benz and Mitsubishi. Mercedes-Benz target luxury buyers seeking prestige and performance, while Mitsubishi focuses on practicality and affordability. Prices vary based on models. Next is New Hong Fat Holdings. Through its subsidiary Tan Chong Motor, utilized dynamic pricing strategies for its vehicle brands like Nissan. Tan Chong Motor offers limited time promotions and discount on Nissan vehicle during festive seasons or special events. Price vary based on models. And next is Oriental Holdings Berhad focuses on value-based pricing for Toyota vehicles, emphasizing quality and reliability. The Toyota Camry Hybrid is positioned as a premium sedan offering an exceptional fuel economy and eco-friendly driving experience. The price range for the Toyota Camry Hybrid in Malaysia is 100,000 to 300,000. Next slide is Permaju Industries Berhad. Through its subsidiary PK Group offers customized interior solutions for automotive manufacturers. The company implement pricing strategies based on customization and may charge higher prices for premium leather with personalized design options, catering to luxury car brands seeking exclusive interior customization. And also the prices vary based on options. And next is Sime Darby Berhad. Sime Darby Berhad operates in various sectors, including automotive, and employs different pricing strategies across its subsidiaries. The estimated fair value of Sime Darby Plantation Berhad is RM7.09 based on two-stage free cash flow to equity, while the current share price is RM4.53. Prices vary based on products. And next is Solid Automotive Berhad. Solid Automotive Berhad employs various pricing strategies, including product differentiation and penetration pricing. Proton, a brand under Solid Automotive brand, occasionally adopts penetration prices strategies for new model launches. For example, the Proton Saga offers attractive introductory prices and financing package. The price range for Proton Saga is 32,800 to 42,800. And I will move to the next one, which is Tan Chong Motor Holdings Berhad. Through its subsidiary Tan Chong Motor, utilized dynamic pricing strategies for its vehicle brands like Nissan. Tan Chong Motor offer limited time promotions.
My name is Siti Binti Osman, metric number 286862. Today, I'd like to share the strategic marketing action of Bermas Auto Berhad, B Auto, and DRBHCom. B Auto, the exclusive distributor of Mazda vehicles in Malaysia, has a strategic alliance with Mazda Motor Corporation, ensuring a seamless supply and support for marketing and innovation. They offer a diverse pricing strategy appealing to middle class and premium segment with models like Mazda 2, 3, CX-5, and CX-9. Emphasizing Sky Active's technology, B Auto attracts eco-conscious buyers with enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced carbon emissions. Their extensive dealer and service network across Malaysia illustrates economies of scale, improving customer access and satisfaction. Comprehensive marketing campaigns through TV, social media, and automotive shows boost brand recognition. Promotional strategies including complimentary maintenance, cash rebates, and flexible financing lower financial barriers and drive sales. In summary, B Auto's strategic integration, diverse pricing, technological innovation, and expanded network strengthen their market position in Malaysia. DRB HiCom have diverse its market presence with strategic acquisition and partnership with brands like Proton, Honda, and Volkswagen, catering to budget-friendly and high-end segment. Their competitive pricing ensures affordability without compromising quality, especially for proton products, investment in advanced manufacturing technology, enhanced efficiency and product quality, expanding their distribution network and service centers across Malaysia has improved customer accessibility. Vertical integration allows control over the supply chain, reducing costs and enhancing coordination. Their marketing strategies utilize digital media, TV commercials, and automotive show to boost brand recognition, attractive financing option, and target campaign drive sales. Addressing eco-friendly vehicle demand, the RB Highcom has introduced hybrid and electric models with Honda and Volkswagen, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. In summary, DRB Highcom diversification, competitive pricing, advanced manufacturing, and comprehensive marketing exemplify successful industrial organization principle, positioning them for continued growth and success. That's all from me. Thank you.
I am ANSON with metric number 292654, and I will continue for the next part, which is the return of asset ROA and also return on equity ROE. Return on asset ROA is a financial metric that measures a company's profitability relative to its total assets, while the ROE measures a company's profitability relative to its shareholders' equity. The graph shows the ROA and also ROE for each brand for year 2023. We can observe that in year 2023, Permaju Industri Berhad Permaju had the lowest ROA among the listed company with negative ROA value negative 0.77%. This indicates that Permaju have a poor profitability relative to its asset base. This is due to the company having lower sales margins compared to the other listed companies. On the other hand, Berjaya Auto Industri Berhad Bautos ROA of 14.82% is the highest among the company listed. Bauto companies focus on higher-end vehicles and luxury branding might contribute to its superior ROA. The data shows that Bauto with a lower asset base and they are able to generate higher profitability compared to other listed companies. It also means that the Bauto company has the highest efficiency of using their assets to generate maximum profits. For other listed companies such as MBM Resources Berhad and also Hong Leong Industry Berhad have a ROA of 11.63% and also 7.22%, which are relatively high and suggest efficient asset utilization and also good profitability compared to the other listed companies such as the RB Highcom Berhad and also Oriental Holdings Berhad. Now, we move through the return on equity. Bauto's ROE of 46.01% is the highest among the listed companies. This indicates that Bauto company has the highest efficiency of using their equity invested by their shareholders to generate their company profit, while the lowest among the listed companies, Tichong company's ROE signify decent profitability relative to the equity invested by shareholders, which is with negative value of negative 4.56%. Comparing the performance of this company based on ROA and also ROE from the graph above, Berjaya Auto Industri Berhad Bauto stand out as the top performer with the highest ROA and ROE. This indicates that Bauto's managers are utilizing their firm's asset and equity more efficiently. From an investor perspective, Bauto would be the company that many investors would choose to invest to bring the highest return of their investment.
Sir, so today I will be discussing the financial performance of 10 listed companies for the year 2023, focusing specifically on their net profits. Net profit is a crucial indicator of a company's profitability and financial health. Let's dive into the analysis. In 2003, the financial performance of these companies varied significantly. We compare the net profits to understand their profitability and operational efficiency. Let's start with Tan Chong Motor Holdings Berhad or Tan Chong. Tan Chong had the lowest net profit among the listed companies at RM 1.3 million. This indicates relatively poor profitable and suggests that Tan Chong may have struggled with managing expenses or generating sufficient income compared to its asset base. On the other hand of the spectrum, Sime Darby Berhad, known as Sime, reported the highest net profit of RM 1.8 billion in 2023. This impressive figure indicates high profitability and likely reflects efficient asset utilization and effective expenses management. Let's look at the Berjaya Auto Industries Berhad or Bauto and Hong Leong Industries Berhad. Both companies display commendable financial performance with comparable net profits. Bauto reported a net profit of RM 205.8 million, while Hong Leong Industry Berhad recorded RM 207.6 million. These figures show effective expenses control and highly operational efficiency, allowing them companies to retain substantial profits and after covering all costs. Oriental Holdings Berhad or Orient also demonstrated strong financial performance with a net profit of RM 255.7 million. This indicates effective management operational efficiency similar to Bauto and Hong Leong Berhad. Now let's summarize the overall performance. While companies like DRBH Com and Orient achieved significant net profits, others such as Permaju, Sime, Solid, Tan Chong struggled to generate substantial earnings. These variants illustrate the disparities in financial performance. For Oriental Holdings Berhad or Orient also demonstrated strong financial performance with a net profit of RM 255.7 million. This indicates effective management and operational efficiency similar to Bauto and Hong Leong Berhad. Now let's summarize the overall performance. While companies like DRBH Com and Orient achieved significant net profits, others such as Permaju, Solid and Tan Chong struggled to generate substantial earnings. These variants illustrate the disparities in financial performance, profitability and also operational efficiency across these listed companies. In conclusion, analyzing these net profits of these companies of the year 2023 provides valuable insights into their financial health and operational effectiveness. Sime Darby Berhad emerged as the most profitable, whereas Tan Chong Motor Holdings Berhad had the lowest profitability. Companies like Bauto and Hong Leong Berhad showcase excellent expenses management and operational efficiency, highlighting their strong financial positions. In conclusion, Malaysia's automotive industry exhibits a high level of concentration with dominant players shaping the market. By leveraging the Structure, Conduct, Performance SCP framework, we gain a clearer understanding of the industry's dynamics. Oligopolies dominate the market, requiring constant innovation and adaptation to maintain a competitive edge. Government policies and strategic partnerships are crucial for the industry's future success. By embracing these strategies, the Malaysian automotive industry overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and also contribute significantly to the nation's economic growth.